What's up guys, Ryan here from Klock Werks. Big things going on today. The moment you've all been waiting for, the first ever original Klock Werks flare for the new Lowrider ST. Let's get into it. All right everyone, we're gonna jump into measuring you to get you properly fit for your Lowrider ST windshield. But first, I'm gonna need some help from my buddy. This is my buddy.
I'm his buddy.
And a couple things you're gonna need are measuring tape and a yardstick or a level. When measuring your windshield, we're gonna measure from the front of the windshield just like how we do for the road glide or the street glide. The other big thing to remember is what might work for you might not work for your buddy. So when it comes to measuring, I want you in the hot seat. All right, step 2, get comfy.
He's comfy.
Step 3, let's measure for your flare. So we're gonna need the level. I'm gonna hold this just below my nose, and my buddy's gonna measure from the top of the windshield vent to the bottom of the level. What this is gonna do is it's gonna determine the proper flare height for you. Step 4, choose your flare. When choosing your flare, ideally we want you to be looking over the windshield. As air management experts, height isn't everything. Shape is where it matters. Let those sexy hips and that slick flip do its job. All right, now that everyone has chosen their flare, now we're gonna do the install. A few things you're gonna need: a T27 Torx, and of course, some Shine Works. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove the 2 center screws, and then we're gonna loosen the 4 outer screws. Once you've loosened the 4 outer screws and taken the 2 inners out, you're going to lift and slide the windshield off. The grommets in the middle will come with you. These will stay with the bike. We'll get those in a little bit. Most important step of this install process is removing and installing these grommets, okay? You're gonna wanna use water-based wax detailer like Shine Works or simply soap and water. Spray it on the front side of the grommet. You're gonna push one side of it just to roll that lip edge through the windshield, push down and pull out. Biggest reason on why it's so important to remove from the front and install from the back is there's a recessed washer inside the rubber, and if you try to push it from the back to the front, it will tear, and they are hard to get. All right, so as you see, I have the new grommets in, the new windshield. I have pre-wet this one down with some of our Shine Works. I'm going from the back side of the windshield and the bubble side down on the windshield. I'm gonna push that in. I'm just gonna roll that in there. Don't try and force it. Be gentle with it. It'll pop right in and you're good to go. Last part to installing the windshield, we're gonna install all 6 of these screws. I recommend starting from the center and working your way out. Another big thing is do not over tighten the windshield. Less is more when it comes to installing these. I like to alternate sides just so you have even clamping force. Now that we got the windshield installed, we're gonna finish it off with a little bit of Shine Works. Today we showed you how to choose your Lowrider ST flare, and then we showed you how to install it. For more information, visit getklock.com. I ran out of breath.
You needed to shift gears.